I've been with Group Terms of Swim NI since level 1, so kind of straight out of high school. I knew it was a good facility. I knew the kind of one-on-one help that I'd get. Instead of being in a class of a couple hundred, I was in a class of 12, and just having the opportunity to be supported more as an individual.
Well, I've been here since level 3, doing the Sports Performance and Excellence course, and I really enjoyed that, and this was just the next step up really in terms of my development in the sports sort of field, so I thought here would be the best. I was already comfortable here, the tutors were all great, I know them all, so yeah, I just felt like it was sort of the best place for me to go.
Studying the degree here, it's a lot more convenient for me. It's more local for me, so I'm saving money on travel expenses and renting a room, so I can just still live at home and do my degree.
We have quite a lot of different modules, which is really interesting. That's kind of why I was drawn to the course. And we also have an employment-based part of it all, so that's where we get guidance for getting our experience outside of the college. So I'm currently volunteering at a primary school, so I go there on a Friday afternoon and I help out with their like PE lessons, and that's really good experience for me.
We have industry experts, we have teachers who know what they're talking about, and lecturers who have lectured for years but also have experience in their fields. They've worked in these fields, they know what they're talking about, and they can give you real industry advice.
I like the facilities because in the UCCL they let you take laptops out. You've got numerous computers that are there, so you can sort of just knuckle down and get on with your work. When you come here, you've got sort of that closer relationship to your tutors, and you might be able to be subject to maybe more personal help than you would be when you're looking to other universities and stuff.
I've got dyslexia, so it's always been quite good to have one-to-ones with teachers, and I know I can email them as much as I want and they don't care what just small things. Sometimes I get a bit confused, and they've really helped.
If you're coming to study at a later time in your life or a bit further on, or after you've had children, just have the courage of your own convictions. I procrastinated for so long and I gave myself any excuse not to come. But I just think if you've got that dream, just follow it, because it is absolutely life-changing. Don't get me wrong, it's really hard, but it's just opened up a whole new world and a whole new perspective.
It's so supportive and really flexible, being able to do part-time, full-time. They're able to work around your work schedule. I've had classmates who have children who are working full-time, who are trying to juggle multiple things. It's not just about oh, I'm 18, I finished my A-levels and now I want to go off to uni. Traditional MENI gives everyone the opportunity to have the accessibility to higher education.